Here are some tips and tricks to learn how to read alto clef. I'm going to go right over to exercises and do note identification. Now I've got to change the clef from bass clef to alto clef. This is the one that's in the middle here. In alto clef, this line in the middle is middle C. So just like we learned how to read bass clef from treble clef, we can pretend that this is treble clef for a moment. So the trick is simple. Read this note as you would in treble clef, but then move it up one step to make it alto clef. This note would be C sharp in treble clef, but I'm going to move it up one and make it D sharp. This note would be E flat in treble clef, but if I move it up one, it's F flat. In treble clef, that's an A sharp, but I'm going to move it up one. Now it's a B sharp. Hopefully you're getting the picture by now. That would be C sharp in treble clef. I'm going to move it up one to D sharp. It's important to realize, though, that this line is middle C, the one that's like below the treble clef staff. So there is an octave displacement that's taking place. But to name the actual note, this is what you need to do. Call this E, but name it as F. And you've got it. Good luck.